Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting to share. This video is all about using zero-cost AI to initiate YouTube automation in 2024. Stick around, I'll spill the beans on how these tools can turn your YouTube game into a budget-friendly masterpiece. If you are a broke and planning to start YouTube automation, this video is especially for you. But hold on, before we get started, I want to show you some real success stories. People have hit the jackpot using these tools, and I've got the proof to back it up. So let us start the process. Firstly, we need a script, the foundation of our video, and we'll consider the capabilities of ChatGPT for this. You can instruct ChatGPT to generate a script for a YouTube video, discussing topics that may make more earnings on YouTube. As you can see, the script is generated within seconds. It will tell you the specific tech and gadgets, gaming, how-to, and DIY, fitness and wellness, travel, vlogging, animation, and cartoons. So copy any of the following options and pass another prompt using this statement, such as write a prompt about animation cartoons of dog life. Then, ChatGPT generates a complete script according to your prompt. Now copy the script from here and head to the ai.invideo.io site. Once you get into its site, paste the script in here. Like, create a 9-minute heartwarming and humorous animated cartoon series that revolves around the daily adventures and antics of a charming group of dogs. Explore the ups and downs of their canine lives, from hilarious misadventures in the neighborhood to heart-touching moments of friendship. Your animation should capture the essence of the dog world, showcasing their unique personalities, quirks, and the joy they bring to the lives of their owners. Then, infuse the surlies with creativity, relatable storytelling, and vibrant visuals to appeal to a wide audience, delivering a delightful viewing experience for dog lovers of all ages. So, you can select your audience, video looks and feel, also the platform where you want to post the video. After selecting all three categories, hit the continue button. It will take some time to generate a video. Once the video is generated though, you can pass the command to edit the video and hit the generate button. If you want to edit the media or script of the video, you can do that by simply clicking on the edit button. After that, you will be able to edit your generated video media or its script. Also, you can upload the media for which you have to pass the command and pick any of the following images. Now head to edit script, and if you can, click on the three dots from the top right corner and it will show you the drop down menu. You can duplicate chapters and add chapters before and after. Once you are satisfied, apply the changes and hit the generate button. Now let us add a quick intro. I will use Canva to create a YouTube video intro. Selecting a template, customizing it, and downloading the intro takes only a few minutes. It's a versatile process that you can reuse for different videos. Once the video is edited, the final steps include creating a thumbnail and choosing a title. Head to Canva and edit your YouTube thumbnails by using different elements. Or you can search for a specific, such as dogs, and then put their photos in the template. You can add multiple elements to your template and adjust them accordingly. You can add photos, graphics, videos, and many more. Once you are done, click on the share button from the top right corner, then download the thumbnail you just created. For the tags, head back to ChatGPT and pass a prompt as tags on about animation cartoon of dog life through We Earn More Money. Now, ChatGPT provides you with all the tags. You can copy the tags from here as well. And head to the YouTube studio and upload a video you generated. Remember, YouTube automation involves some manual input, especially in crafting engaging titles, captions, and thumbnails. This personal touch significantly impacts video quality and viewer engagement. Follow this formula and you will be able to create compelling YouTube automation videos that attract views. Hope you got some value. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.